Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Chella and today I'm doing a DIY video. I'm going to be making a DIY lip scrub. So there's this Bite lip scrub. It's an agave and brown sugar lip scrub and I'm obsessed with it. I literally love it, but it's $18 and that's kind of expensive for some sugar and agave. So I'm gonna make my own lip scrub that will definitely not cost $18. It'll probably be like $2. So yeah, I'm gonna make my own, and the recipe for it will be down below for you to use, or you can just follow along with this video. Need a container to put the lip scrub in. I'm just using some empty containers from the Bite lip scrub, but you can use any container. The ingredients you're going to need are almond oil, or you can use coconut oil, organic agave, or organic honey, along with sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar, either or. The last thing you will need is an empty bowl. Then you will take a teaspoon of your almond oil and pour it into your bowl. Then you're going to want to squirt in some of your honey. It doesn't have to be exact. It's really up to your preference of the amount you want to use, but this is how much I used. Then you will mix the honey and almond oil together. Once it's all mixed in, you'll squirt in some agave and mix that into the mixture as well. Then you'll take a teaspoon of sugar and pour it into the mixture and then mix it all together. Once evenly mixed, you're going to want to take your lip scrub and put it into your container. You can make this lip scrub more interesting by adding different flavors like pureed fruits, rose water, or cocoa. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.